HMART is the largest Asian supermarket in the States. We have about 97 locations, and that number is growing as we speak. Although we have large concentration of Asian grocery, it also includes the local flavors, so it's available for the general populace. The refrigeration, which is probably the largest consumption of electricity, all the open freezers and open refrigerator, a lot of cold airs coming out. So not only made that customer a freezing experience of shopping, we were just racking up energy bills. And we figure doors probably was the first step, utilize the Hawaii Energy incentives.
It's a great success. We determined that we could do case store projects here with HMART. Came out and over the course of a week installed over 300 feet of case stores here at this location. Turned out great. It's improved the lighting and the customers seem to really be satisfied. Putting a project together does have some complexity to it and it does take a little bit of time, but with great partners, it comes together well. And I think that's what happened here is that we have a great customer. We had a great partner in Hawaii Energy. We had other collaborative vectors come and participate with us in that, establish what would go well and make sure that the project went off without a hitch.
We've teamed up on this project where we are adding refrigerated case doors on open shelf merchandisers. And what's really unique about this project is that we rarely see this come through the pipeline. And the awesome thing about it is that you're maintaining steady temperatures for products such as meats and dairy. And that's really important for food safety as well as freshness. Hawaii Energy was able to provide about 30% in rebates to help cover the project costs. This project will help HMART save $50K annually in bill savings, sweet savings that make the payback period a short 3.5 years. We're just really excited and thrilled to be a part of this.
Customer that walks in, comes to the store and see the changes done to the cases, they loved it. They think it just became much more high-end grocery compared to what was before. Things look much fresher, much kept in control. It's been phenomenal. Everything was so fluid. From the store level to the management, everybody's very happy.